Hello, in this video I will show you how to withdraw from Bybit to PayPal. Now it's an extremely easy process. So just simply open your Bybit account, then go to assets, and after that make sure that your crypto is in your funding wallet, and if it is in spot wallet, make sure to transfer it. You can do it by using this option. Over here, just simply transfer whatever crypto you want to transfer into a funding wallet. Now once your crypto is in funding wallet, just simply go to your buy crypto option, click on P2P trading. Now it's a very easy process. All you have to do is just simply click on sell right over here. Then choose the crypto that you want to sell. Make sure that your crypto is any one of these options right over here. Then choose the currency. So in my case, it's going to be INR. Now you can also enter the amount if you want. It's totally up to you. Now after that, choose your seller. Over here you can see all the sellers that are available in your current region. And in order to see the authenticity, you can just simply check if they are verified or not. Because if they are verified, you can sell them and it's completely safe. After choosing any one of the seller, for example this one first, right over here, click on sell USDT. Then enter the USDT that you want to sell. And over here you will be able to see how much you will be receiving. Now, the next part is you have to add a payment method. So just simply click on the drop down box right over here and click on add a payment option. Now a new page will appear. Over here, click on add now under payment method option. Then click on the drop down box again and you will have a lot of options. Now, it would totally depend on the country that you are in, and depending on the country, you should have the payment method of most of your own regions. And over here, you should be also able to find Google Pay and even PayPal. So just simply choose this, enter the name, enter the payment details, and then click on confirm, and then complete the transaction and you're good to go. So that's it. And if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.